my Epson F570, which is a wide format 24-inch sublimation printer, and I set up the printer cart that came separate. And so now I'm about to set this up and just follow all the instructions and just unbox everything. Okay, so now I have taken off all of the tape. Now the next step per the instructions is to fill the tanks. So basically saying cans guarantee the quality and reliability of third-party ink. So this is an Eco Tank sublimation printer. So the ink is sublimation ink, and it comes with the 4 ink plus an extra set. So I'm going to start the process of filling the ink. tried out 2 different color profiles, and one is, sorry if my camera's crooked, for some reason I can't get it to be straight on this doggone tripod. Let me see if I can fix it. I don't think that helped it. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this. We're gonna just deal. So I tried the 2 different color profiles because a lot of people say use one profile. One person said they've been using the wrong profile the whole time. So these are the 2 images. You can tell the slight differences between the 2. This is a darker color and this is a lighter color. I'm not sure which one that I like the best, but this is RBG. And this is the, was it CMYK, I think it's called? Yeah. So I just want to try the 2 different profiles out to see which one would be the best one to use. So right here I am just printing my logo and testing the different color profiles. And I'm going to put them on the bag that I use to take my items to the post office. So I'm still testing the RBG and the CMYK. And I think that I like to print more on the CMYK settings. I think they're a little bit more vibrant and whatnot. So I'm just testing the new Epson printer out, Sublimation printer out some more. I'm still testing out the profile, so I'm printing out test copies of Sublimation Transfers for the tumblers, for mugs, and for t-shirts and whatnot. Here, this is the rolled paper. I believe this is the 18-inch rolled sublimation paper, and I'm just printing out transfers right now and just testing out my new printer for my business expansion. Overall, I'm very, very happy with my purchase and my investment. Thank y'all so much for coming along with me on my Studio 2 vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.